If you've got sensitive skin, exfoliating can feel like walking a tightrope. One wrong product and suddenly your skin is red, irritated, or dry. But here's the good news. Gentle exfoliation is possible when you choose the right formula. Today, we'll explore the best exfoliators for sensitive skin, carefully chosen to smooth your texture, clear pores, and brighten your complexion without any harshness. From Dermatologist-approved cleansers to natural scrubs, these top 5 picks will give your skin the glow it deserves, minus the irritation. Let's get started.
Kicking off our list at number 1, CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser. The CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser is a dermatologist-recommended solution for those who need effective exfoliation without compromising skin comfort. Designed with sensitive and textured skin in mind, it gently removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores using salicylic acid while maintaining the skin's natural protective barrier. This cleanser takes exfoliation to a clinical yet soothing level, combining chemical exfoliation with deep hydration for a clearer, smoother complexion that feels fresh and healthy after every wash. Key features. This cleanser's power lies in its balanced formula of salicylic acid, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. Salicylic acid exfoliates dead cells and cleans deep into pores, preventing breakouts, while ceramides restore the skin's protective layer. Hyaluronic acid provides lasting hydration, ensuring skin remains supple. The formula is fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and paraben-free, ideal for sensitive skin. It's also enriched with niacinamide, which helps calm redness and inflammation, making it a complete solution for exfoliation and skin health. Usability. The CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser has a smooth gel texture that lathers lightly, making it easy to rinse off without residue. It's suitable for both morning and evening routines and works well under makeup or before bedtime. The pump packaging ensures easy, hygienic dispensing, while the fragrance-free formula feels mild and clean. It's an excellent everyday exfoliating cleanser for anyone dealing with roughness, bumpy texture, or dull skin. Durability. A single bottle lasts several months since only a small pump is needed for each cleanse. The stable, dermatologist-tested formula maintains its effectiveness over time, and regular use delivers noticeable improvements in skin smoothness and clarity. It's a long-term investment for healthier skin texture, gentle enough for sensitive types, yet powerful enough to keep skin refined and fresh with consistent use.
In the second spot, we have Avène Gentle Exfoliating Gel. The Avène Gentle Exfoliating Gel is a luxurious option designed especially for delicate skin. It's formulated with Avène's signature thermal spring water, known for its soothing and anti-irritating properties, making this exfoliator a perfect choice for anyone who wants smooth, radiant skin without redness or dryness. It's not just a scrub, it's a calming, skin-polishing treatment that refreshes and brightens while respecting your skin's natural balance. Key features. This exfoliating gel uses biodegradable cellulose beads to gently lift away dead skin cells while maintaining a soft, non-abrasive feel. The formula includes niacinamide for skin barrier support and Avène thermal spring water to calm sensitivity and irritation. It's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and free of harsh chemicals or parabens. Its gel-like texture glides smoothly, offering an effortless exfoliating experience that's both effective and comforting. The product is dermatologist tested, making it safe for reactive or rosacea-prone skin. Usage and benefits. Avène's Gentle Exfoliating Gel deeply cleanses pores, refines texture, and enhances skin radiance without triggering sensitivity. Regular use helps skin appear more luminous, even-toned, and smooth. To use, apply to damp skin and massage gently using circular motions, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly with water and follow with a hydrating moisturizer. It's best used 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your skin's tolerance. The result is soft, refreshed skin that feels calm and rejuvenated. Usability. The gel texture spreads easily, and the fine exfoliating particles provide just enough friction for an effective polish without scratching or irritating. It rinses cleanly, without residue, and leaves a refreshing afterfeel. The subtle scent of the thermal spring water adds a soothing touch to your skincare ritual. The tube packaging ensures hygienic use and makes it easy to carry for travel or gym skincare routines. It's incredibly user-friendly and fits seamlessly into any skincare regimen. Durability. A single tube of Avène Gentle Exfoliating Gel lasts a long time since only a small amount is needed per session. The product maintains its texture and effectiveness from the first use to the last. Over weeks, users often notice smoother, more radiant skin with reduced dullness. Its gentle nature ensures that long-term use won't damage your skin barrier, making it one of the most dependable exfoliators for ongoing sensitive skincare.
Coming in at number 3 is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. The First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads are a quick, mess-free, and effective way to exfoliate sensitive skin. Each pre-soaked pad delivers a balanced blend of gentle acids and soothing ingredients to improve texture and tone without irritation. They've become a cult favorite among skincare lovers who want smooth, glowing skin without the harshness of traditional peels. These pads simplify exfoliation, no scrubbing, no rinsing, just easy radiance. Key features. These pads combine lactic acid and glycolic acid for mild chemical exfoliation, supported by cucumber, Indian gooseberry, and licorice root for brightening and calming effects. They're alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. Each pad is individually soaked with just the right amount of solution, ensuring consistency with every use. The formula's pH-balanced composition ensures effective exfoliation without disrupting the skin's barrier. Benefits and usage. The facial radiance pads help diminish dullness, refine pores, and even out skin tone. They improve overall smoothness and allow skincare products to absorb more efficiently. To use, take one pad and gently wipe it across your entire face, neck, and décolletage. No need to rinse. Follow with a moisturizer or SPF if used in the morning. These pads can be used daily for normal skin or a few times per week for extra sensitive types. Usability. The pre-soaked pads make exfoliation simple and travel-friendly. They're soft, durable, and perfectly saturated, not too wet, not too dry. The formula absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling refreshed and slightly hydrated rather than sticky. The jar packaging keeps the pads moist and easy to access, making them a convenient, no-fuss option for anyone who wants professional results in seconds. They fit perfectly into busy lifestyles or minimalist routines. Durability. Each container offers 28 to 60 pads depending on the size you purchase, lasting 1 to 2 months with regular use. The product maintains its potency when sealed properly, and the results remain consistent. Over time, users report smoother texture, refined pores, and improved skin brightness. These pads offer lasting effectiveness and gentle care, proving that chemical exfoliation can indeed be both mild and powerful for sensitive skin.
Taking our 4th spot is the Ordinary Lactic Acid 5%. The Ordinary Lactic Acid 5% plus HA is a standout exfoliator that uses lactic acid, a mild alpha-hydroxy acid, to gently dissolve dead skin cells and promote smoother, more radiant skin. It's specially formulated for those who want visible exfoliation results without harsh reactions, making it a top choice for sensitive skin. This simple yet effective formula demonstrates The Ordinary's commitment to high-quality skincare at an affordable price. Key features. The product combines 5% lactic acid for mild exfoliation with hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. Lactic acid works on the skin's surface to remove dullness and improve texture, while hyaluronic acid ensures moisture retention. It's vegan, alcohol-free, oil-free, and silicone-free, and contains Tasmanian pepperberry to reduce potential irritation caused by acid exfoliation. Its lightweight serum-like texture absorbs quickly, allowing for easy layering with hydrating serums or creams. The dropper bottle provides controlled application, and the product's translucent formula feels refreshing. It may cause mild tingling initially, which subsides quickly. Its simplicity makes it an excellent choice for beginners or anyone looking to upgrade their exfoliation step without complicating their skincare routine. Durability. A 30 milliliter bottle lasts several months since only a few drops are needed each time. The formula remains stable if stored properly, retaining its potency and smooth consistency. With regular use, users notice lasting improvement in skin tone, brightness, and texture. It's a long-term investment for healthier, glowing skin that adapts beautifully to sensitive types while maintaining results over time.
And finally, at number 5, we have La Roche-Posay Ultra-Fine Scrub. The La Roche-Posay Ultra-Fine Scrub delivers the perfect balance of physical exfoliation and skin comfort. Designed for sensitive skin, it uses ultra-fine pumice particles suspended in a creamy base to gently buff away dead skin cells without causing micro tears or irritation. This dermatologist-tested exfoliator refreshes the skin, revealing a smooth, refined texture that feels soft and radiant immediately after use. Key features: this exfoliator features ultrafine microparticles that gently polish the skin's surface while glycerin maintains hydration. Enriched with La Roche-Posay's thermal spring water, known for its soothing and antioxidant properties, it helps calm the skin during exfoliation. It's soap-free, alcohol-free, and tested on sensitive skin for maximum safety. The creamy consistency ensures smooth application, making it ideal for anyone seeking a soft-touch scrub that won't trigger redness or sensitivity. Usability. The creamy texture ensures the scrub glides comfortably across the skin without harsh friction. The fine particles provide a delicate polish that's ideal for even the most reactive complexions. It rinses off easily, leaving no residue. The lightweight tube packaging makes it simple to use and store. The mild, clean scent enhances the user experience, turning exfoliation into a calm, spa-like routine suitable for all seasons. Durability. A small amount of product covers the entire face, making the tube last for several months with weekly use. The texture remains consistent throughout, and long-term use promotes smoother and more radiant skin without weakening the barrier. This scrub is a durable and trustworthy option, combining clinical quality with gentle care for lasting results that sensitive skin can rely on. And there you have it. 5 of the best exfoliators for sensitive skin that actually work without irritation. From CeraVe's salicylic acid cleanser to The Ordinary's mild lactic acid serum and Avène's calming gel, each one brings unique benefits for smoother, healthier skin. Remember, gentle exfoliation is about consistency, not intensity. Choose the one that suits your skin type, use it regularly, and you'll see that perfect glow. Calm, clear, and confidently radiant. Thanks for watching, and take care of your skin.